Po ang Facebook page ng JME Print Digital Services located at Tinajeros, Malabon. For the services they offer, ito po yung kanilang mga services na available sa kanilang business. For calling card po, meron silang 300 GSM and 200 GSM paper. Free clear calling card case for every 100 pieces order. Kapag po back-to-back and black and white po yung calling card, ang price po nun is 320, colored is 380. Pag front lang naman po na calling card, black and white 230 and pag colored 250. Sa giveaways na meron po sila or souvenirs, available ang acrylic keychain at ref magnet. For acrylic, 1 to 25 pieces is 30 pesos. 26 to 50 pieces is 25 pesos and 51 to 100 is 20 pieces. For ref magnet naman po is ordinary cut is 40 pesos each. Pag custom cut naman po is 50 pesos each. Included na po dun yung packaging. And then, ang sample po nung kanilang ref magnet is ito po. And then, ito na naman po yung sa kanilang keychain. Ang lead time po nila is 2 to 4 days. Ang pangalawa naman po is Jana and Jacob Printing Services, located po sa 151 Generaluna Street, Poblacion, Caloocan. Ito naman po ang mga services na ino-offer nila. And then for the prices po ng mga item na ino-offer nila, ito po. Sa kanilang tote bag, sa mga bags po nila, umbrella, mugs, ball pens, and ang kanila pong planner, journal, at notebook. And then sa item po na with print, ang lead time po nila is 1 week po sa 100 pieces na order. Tumatanggap po sila ng bulk orders. Nagpo-post din naman po sila kaso wala po silang masyadong interaction with their customers.